Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. This video I'll be showing you how to create a professional landing page for your CPA links. So the first thing you have to do is log into your Linktree. If you don't know how to sign up on Linktree, I already have a video I just dropped. So you can please watch my video now to create Linktree account. So the first thing you have to do is when you log into your Linktree account, it bring you to this home page like this. So the first thing you have to do here is add what you call header. So this header would be like what you call like an about page for your audience who are trying to complete your offer. So just like let's say earn $500 just by signing up with your email. You just say earn 500 just by signing up only. So I think that would be okay. So when you're done, as you can see, you're already creating what you call landing page here already. So as you can see, this is how your landing page will look to your audience who are trying to complete your offer for you. So the second thing you have to do is click on next on add link. So this URL, you have to look for your real account links you are trying to promote or what are people trying to complete your offer for you. So you just have to input your URL here and click on it. So on here, I put my URL. So I'll copy my link. So I'll input it here. So you can just click on add. So as you can see, you can also title your URL just by saying subscribe to the latest game. So you can just say earn $100 by subscribing to the latest game now. So that's how you do it. So you keep doing it like this and keep adding links. You can add more than 10 or the amount of links you want to add, you can just add it there. Then after you're done, you just click on share. So you make use of the share link over here, then you are done. So you can also edit your profile too, just like adding an image to your profile to make it look professional. That's why you can make use of just adding a professional image. So as you can see, so you make use of the link. So let's add another link to our landing page like this now. So let's make use of this one. So copy link and come back to your landing page website. Then click on add. So you see it will add again. So you have to drag this your header up because it will be the one to speak to your audience who are trying to complete an offer. So it will allow them to be eager to complete your offer for you again. So what do you do next again? Just come here and click on grab your contents. Grab your content now and $50. So that's another So that's how you create your landing page for your CPA links. So as you can see, this is a very easy way to create even for a professional landing page for audience who are trying to complete your offers for you. So if you really enjoy this video, please subscribe to my channel and please give me thumbs like. Good evening. So in case you want to share your link, I'm looking for where to copy your link. So this is your URL. As you can see, your link tree is live link tree. So it ends with your username that you use to sign up on your link tree account. So you can just copy the URL and share it to who are trying to complete your offers for you, or whether you're trying to promote it on Facebook. So you can make use of this URL. You can also click on the share icon here. So it says get more visitors by sharing your link tree everywhere. At yours anywhere, or you just open my link tree or share profile anything. So that's all. So you can also copy the link tree here too. So after you're done copying it, so you can just paste it wherever you want to send it to. Good evening. Thanks for watching.